Hey, I'm Christy. I'm a mom of 2 teen boys and 3 dogs, and somewhere around 45, my body really started to feel different. I kept hearing people talk about the vibration plate for everyday wellness, so I did some research and I've actually been using this one for about a year now. I keep mine plugged in and I just turn it on with a remote. It's really simple. You can pick your speed and your time up to 10 minutes, but I definitely recommend starting low and working up. I like the curved edges because when I stand towards the sides, I feel the vibration a little bit more, and the surface keeps me steady when I'm barefoot. Since using this daily, my legs feel noticeably calmer at night and I feel looser throughout the day. And maybe it's just me, but I swear my skin looks a little bit tighter too. So if you're feeling achy like I was, this might help you the way it's helped me. I really do recommend it.